Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix slow stream download speed step by step. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, as you can see, we are open our Steam account in here. So if you want to reset your download, you just need to go to the setting. Once you come over here, then find out the download options, and here you just need to select download region. You can select any of them from that place. I will select that UK Manchester United. It would be a great one to download the thing, so I will select this one and I'll reset later. Then you just need to disable this limit download speed option. Sometimes some people on it, so you just need to disable this one strictly. Then here you just need to total downloads while streaming disable. Like if this is enable, stream will limit download speed to maintain a high quality stream remote play. You just need to disable this one and then just clear your download cache. Once you complete the thing, then you can easily download, like you can overcome your download issue within a second. Let's open this one, and with playing, let's go and let's try to log in again. So we just need to log in here again. Once we log in this one, then we can easily download any file, and we are able to see the differences between before and after the download work. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic.